Okie dokie. This one is called Simple Things, and it's pretty simple. Get it? So anyway, so you'll just read the story. Notice it tells you that it's realistic fiction. So just keep that in mind as you're reading it. It's a story that's not true, but it could happen. It's realistic. Then you'll answer, why was Devin having a rough week? So explain that. Why and how did Devin's week change? Underline or circle the evidence in the story to support your answer. So just go up to the text and underline or circle how you know why and how it changed. Notice it does have sort of two parts in there. Why did it change? Like what happened? And then how? So again, what specifically happened that made it change? And then the third question, have you ever had a difficult week at school? What did you do to turn it around? So two-part question, have you ever had a difficult week? And then second part, what did you do to turn it around? So if you choose to write in the text box I have made and then notice the line goes down, you can just delete the extra lines. That's fine. Just make sure that your writing doesn't go below this line because then I can't see it if it goes off the white part. All right, so read carefully, reread if you need to. You can use the text-to-speech if you need, or you can read it with someone in your family, but just make sure that you are reading carefully and really giving me thorough answers, not just like one or two word answers. Be as thorough as you can, please. And that is it for that.